This is City Hall here in Othello, Washington. We got a court date here at District Court with Carol J. Benzel. Is this somebody's or what? I throw it away? Probably some homeless guy in here. Yeah, homeless people coming in here. These. These are the known chapters from always from the SAT testing, also the qualifications for the CDL A and B, and also the evaluation they have on the performance of the testing and the quality of the potential training that was done on exercise practices on all algebra, trig, and also the fundamentals of inter-article derivatives, anti-derivatives, which is reading, writing, and comprehension on the math test, which is in all sentences, no numbers, and the calibrations, you have to know all formulas, and all the formulas on the chart, on the video chart, or on the format, the integration parts. These tests are done and you have no formulas, and you have no cheat sheet, and you have no calculator. This is a test proving that you are intermediate and advanced math, and that shows the integrals and formulas that you don't have, and you have it by memory. For this exercise is a common qualification for the circumstances on the Bar Association, and also the Liquor Field Association, the OSHA Federation. It doesn't matter if your father's a general or your father's the NATO admiral, and also the excessive use of formulas that were plotted and increments on the chart. You have no excuses of not showing for your court date, and also your finalizing your math testing, which is all the way to 2,400 points. The max point score is 2,400 points, not 800, not 600, not 1,600. It's 2,400 points. There's a pre-fascia, and their chapters from 1 to 7, and they have integrals and antiderivatives. This means you can read and write and you can draw, but reading and writing and drawing, the comprehensions are from F and X and Y, negative, positive, also hyperbolic conics and geometry, analytical geometry. These solutions are self-explanatory, and you got to show proof on each written document, on each written piece of paper. It's examples 1 through 7, and they have problem-solving strategies, and they have to show your work, proofing that the www.openstackcollege.org, and this is the provisional part and on learning the objectives, and this has the chapters 1 through 7, and they have the advanced placement testing, and also the intermediate and the novice, which means new, amateur, and no common knowledge at all in any kind of math ordinances from all the way from elementary school to 2nd grade, 3rd grade to 6th grade, 8th grade, 10th grade, 12th grade, and college composition, which is 60 to 70 years of experience on their portfolio. These tests are equivalent for finding exactly what criteria and what your negatives and positives and what flaws you have in your reading comprehension and your English comprehension, which is totally English, and reading and writing skills on these tests. The negative of negative, the minus, the as is, the multiplication, the of, the parentheses, division, these first and last name adjectives, verbs, and predicates, and also the finding the volume of, and find the volume of, and also of means means division. Anything in parentheses as in times, and it's not times, but in parentheses and outside is multiplication. You got the value at center of finding the area of a region, and they got words as in curve, and they got words as in left, or as in right, or as in area, multiplication division. And these probables, they gotta show proof of every math equation filled out. And this is the maximum point score is 2,400 points. And these have magnitude factors as well as trapezoids, cosine, tangents. These are reading comprehensions for drawing your services. Your reading, your writing, and your drawing. These gives you these numbers and these formulas are showing proven that you can draw and read and write. And plus you can evaluate your problem and situate the problem and formulate a probable answer with no rational expressions or with any distractions. Even if you're distracted, you have this showing the proof that other work is done in each formula. This is Carol J. Benzel, and this is Mr. McKinnon Law Firm in Moses Lake. It's $3,500, $4,000 just to come here, and another more services, more charges after that for pricing on the range. Mr. Brandon Weston will show up to court on October, November, December, and that's 4 times. Today's gonna be the 4th non-appearance here at the City Hall, right across the street.